So on my Montero Sport, it has the location for the fog lights, but it did not come with them factory. So I already removed the 2 screws, and then this just slides out. And what I'm going to replace them with will be the Nilight 6.5-inch spot and floodlight. And it is going to sit about like that. And what comes in super handy with this is the right angle, the little drill bit here. So you can make the hole up above. Otherwise it's really hard to just get a drill up in there. So this thing does wonders. All right, so after you've drilled your hole, this is your next little mounting bracket. And this is the portion that'll go against the body wherever you put it, like so. But as you can see, I didn't like how high this was. I'm trying to make the light a little bit more centered. So what I did, I just took some nuts and painted them black. And so now I kind of use it, you can see the nut there. So when this is up here mounted, this will be centered. Do it again on this side. So I'll drill my hole just center. And I'll kind of show you how this goes. Again, this thing's magic. And just a little side note, it's not a bad idea to feel around up here and make sure you're not going to punch a hole through something that you shouldn't. Here we go. Here's my final drill bit size. All right, and that's how this gets assembled. Just drop that in. As you can see, it'll hold it there. Add your washer. And I'm going to add my spacer, which, like I said, is a painted nut. All right, so you just run this up in there, and then I will drop the lock washer and the nut on top on the back side here. Just push that right up. All right, so my next trick was figuring out where to run the wire harness down to the light. Obviously, you have to hook up to the battery up top here, and I did find a nice little gap here right below the headlight housing. There's a little bit of an opening, so I ran it through there and came on out. And so you have this end that'll go to the light on the other side, and then this side will go to this light. I'm gonna go ahead and line this up. And then do that to your other ones as well. Now you want to connect your connectors, red to red, black to black. Like so. Go. Probably gonna crimp these a little bit too. Now you'll take your other bolt, you'll run it through, and then secure your light onto your mount. All right, so that's in there, and that's what it's going to look like. I will clean up the wiring a little bit, but yeah, just snug it up and move on to the next one. All right, so as you can see, someone's already ran some wires through the firewall there, so I'm going to do the same. Problem is the switch did not fit through, so I had to just kind of uncrimp these. Pull them off the actual switch, and then I'm going to run them through and then attach them to the switch from the inside. All right, so next I've got all my wiring routed properly so it's not in the way of anything or binding up. I haven't buttoned it all up yet, but I'm going to go ahead and find a place for the relay, and right behind the overflow for the coolant there is plenty of available space here, so I'm going to attach the relay right to the pre-existing thread spot right here. All right, there we go. There's the relay installed. And now it's time to hook up to the battery. So I'm going to disconnect the negative first, then the positive, and then I will reattach the positive and then the negative. So I have not installed the switch yet. I'm going to install it right here, just below the dash, only because I already have a different switch here and it's not going to even look remotely the same. So I'm just going to kind of conceal this one a little bit more, but I just need to actually get the right size drill bit. This is kind of a larger switch that I don't have. So turn that bad boy on. We're just testing her out. Nice and bright. This is awesome. So for fun, we'll turn these on and the PIAs, and let's see what it looks like.